and the thunder rolls. I'm gonna sit out here, watch everybody disperse from the beach, because there are dark clouds rolling in with thunder. That's right, birdie. My favorite. Thunderstorms. I hope it rolls over and doesn't just go past. I hope you can hear that over the birds. The thunder. I saw some lightning as well. I actually look up ASMR thunder videos when I have a hard time sleeping. Which, it's funny, it's kind of ironic to me when people look up nature sounds. It just gets me going. Just love thunder. But yeah, some of us are stuck in cities. Some of us are stuck in places where you can't hear the frogs and crickets chirping. And yeah, not every day is a rainy day or a thunderstorm. So we do with what we have. And there's ASMR for probably near everything. I've looked up frogs chirping because I love that sound too. Let's see if I can set you up in this flagpole thing. Nope, too small. Bummer. I guess I'll just have to keep holding it. The beach is almost clear. They are scurrying. If it starts raining, I'll probably still stay out here. The power of nature. It gets me going, you know, because it reminds people that we are but ants, but little tiny pebbles of sand. Grits of sand? How is that said? I don't know. When it comes to the mother, the father, whichever, there's no gender specifics, but the power of nature. Still some kids in the water though. Don't know what to say about that. Other than they might be waiting until the rain hits and it's right over top of them. It is a lot of fun swimming in the rain. I know not many parents will say that's safe, but I've done it plenty of times. And if nature wants to take me out, well then it's my time, I guess. Beautiful. It's gorgeous. Something of the sounds and the music of the sky hit me in a way that no music, man-made music, can reach. Because this is not man-made. Some people have theories that, you know, they have technology to control the weather. Maybe to an extent. But that doesn't mean it's every storm. And if they could really control the weather, I think that's just giving too much credit to humans. There's something unstoppable, uncontrollable about nature, about the alpha omega beginning and the end, because it is in all things. It's starting to get a little cooler. Yeah, let's sit out here until my camera dies or the rain starts. What is there to talk about? Still hairy. What's up? Still hairy. I got my my lines touched up yesterday. They're not perfectly even, but they're good enough for me. Not having to go and pay for my haircuts. I'll take whatever. I had my brother do kind of like with the buzz cutter, do the lines, and then I went over the lines with a fine razor thingy-mabob. And that's cool. I feel fresh. Feel slick. It's a good day. It's a good day. I get one of my favorite sounds on a day like today. I'll take it. I'm thankful for it. You ever make shapes out of clouds? Do you do that anymore? I still do that. The clouds contain a lot of mystery. Yes. Yes. Oh, I should probably take this watch off before it starts raining on me. Throw this inside. The rain is going to be a bit cold, but oh, someone's getting yelled at. Somebody's father's mad at them. Tell them to get out of the water. Let's go. Let the kids swim. That's what I say. But I have no say in that. I did not birth them. Get my yoga mat. There we go. Now we get to watch me get soaked. That is if it actually comes down. Just making sure it's still on. Might as well do some yoga while we're waiting for the storm to hit, you know. I'll show you a couple of the ones I do, because I typically have problems with my hips. So these are the things I do for my hips. Yeah, buddy. You hear that thunder? And the thunder rolls. And there's a loon. Ow. Popped my knee. It didn't hurt. Beautiful. Now this one I call the squished frog, and there's no way to do this without it being awkward. You just put your legs out as far as you can handle. Don't overstretch yourself, and you just row your boat. No, you roll back and forth. I call it the squished frog, because when they're squished, their legs are all like, they're like, you're getting real good angles, aren't you? You owe me 50 bucks. You owe me 50 bucks. But that move right there helps my hips so much. And then we go on to one of these. I'm surprised the rain hasn't hit yet, or the camera hasn't shut off yet. Yes, baby. I mean, I really mean it. Like, I love thunderstorms. I'm not joking. Whoop. We're gonna face you down because I'm still stretching. Well, movement, stretching, yoga, however you want to say it. I'm feeling some more raindrops. Might as well do a little something for the abs, man. I gotta get my abs back. That feels so good. Like if I just worked out for a good 20-30 minutes a day. Oh, it's getting darker. I think the rain's coming. Let's see out in the rain.